Introducing CareAlert, the well-being monitor that looks after seniors living alone. CareAlert gives you the peace of mind that your loved one is safe without compromising their privacy. With CareAlert, there are no cameras to install and there's nothing to wear, which is good because my mom, she's not a fan of either one.
I prefer my house camera-free.
Instead, I simply plug CareAlert into each room, and it looks just like a nightlight. But inside, CareAlert's smart AI uses multiple sensors to learn my mom's daily routine. When she wakes up, when she's in and out of the house, and when she goes to bed. It then alerts me if it notices anything abnormal, like if she hasn't woken up yet, or if there's something wrong with the air. With sensors for motion, temperature, and air quality, CareAlert tells me all this and more. Its app can be set up to send me scheduled notifications throughout the day, so I can know the little things, like if mom's back from her walk safely. Plus, as it learns more about the environment, CareAlert becomes even more intelligent over time. And with the wellness dashboard, you can review everything CareAlert senses at a glance. I can see her levels of activity, comfort, and environmental quality that let me know she's okay. So what happens when something concerning does happen? CareAlert helps me find out what's going on immediately with its two-way communicator.
Hey Mom, I couldn't get you on your phone. Is everything all right?
Oh, so sorry, sweetie. I just forgot to turn my phone off silent. Everything's fine. I'm just watching my show.
Okay, Mom.
I'm just glad you're safe. Love you. CareAlert also lets you send reminders, whether it's a pre-recorded message.
Hey Grandma, it's time for your 1 o'clock medication. Remember to take it after your lunch on a full stomach. Love you.
Or a visual reminder that just lets them know you're thinking of them.
Hi, this is Freydun Taslimi. I'm the co-founder of SensorScroll. A couple of years ago, I noticed the agony my wife was going through looking after her mom, who lives right down the road. She lives alone, she drives, and she's very independent. The problem is, every time she left the house or she took a shower, my wife would ask her, please give us a call. I just want to make sure you're okay. Invariably, she would just forget.
This happened over and over again. She has one of those emergency pendants, but she doesn't like them. We installed cameras in her house. That didn't work well.
This is how CareAlert was born. It's a nightlight with a bunch of sensors. By collecting millions of points of data, our machine learning can figure out if something has gone wrong and alert the caregivers. Over the last 3 years, we have invested our own money and time into this project. I've been working with a great team of hardware and software engineers. We've gone through 6 iterations of the hardware and multiple iterations of the software.
With what we have so far, we are barely scratching the surface of what CareAlert can really do. We are beginning our manufacturing process so we can get the product into your hands as quickly as we can before the end of the year.
That's why we're running this crowdfunding campaign to get your feedback and to make CareAlert even better.
Our mission is to bring peace of mind to you, the caregiver, and enable our loved ones to live independently in their own home for longer. We hope you back this project. Thank you.